Hello and welcome. In this video, we will configure the WooCommerce Thank You Page WhatsApp button in the Chat Help plugin. This feature allows customers to send their order details directly through WhatsApp after completing a purchase. It is useful when customers want to confirm their order, share the order information with the store, or quickly contact support after checkout. Let's begin. First, open the WooCommerce tab inside the Chat Help plugin and select Thank You Page. By default, the option WhatsApp button on the Thank You page is disabled. When this option is disabled, no additional settings appear, and the WhatsApp button will not be displayed on the Thank You page. Now let's enable WhatsApp button on the Thank You page. Once enabled, several configuration options will appear that allow you to control how the WhatsApp button works and how it appears on the Thank You page. First, select the WhatsApp type. If we choose Number, customers will start a direct WhatsApp conversation with your store. Simply enter the WhatsApp number using the international format, including the country code. If we switch the type to Group, customers will be redirected to join a WhatsApp group instead. In this case, we simply enter the WhatsApp group invite link. Next is Pre-filled Message. This message will automatically appear in WhatsApp when customers click the button. You can customize the message to include useful information about the order. For example, the message can include a variable such as order info, which automatically inserts the order details into the WhatsApp message. This helps the store owner quickly understand which order the customer is referring to. Next, we have Custom Title. This title appears above the WhatsApp button on the Thank You page. You can use it to display a friendly confirmation message after the order is placed. For example, a message like "Thanks" and "You're awesome" can make the checkout experience feel more personal. Below that is Custom Subtitle. This text appears under the title and provides additional instructions to the customer. For example, the subtitle can guide customers to send their order details through WhatsApp for faster support. Next, we have several order information options that can be included in the WhatsApp message. First is Include Order Summary link. When enabled, a link to the order summary will be included in the WhatsApp message. Next is Include Payment link. This option adds the order payment link to the message if needed. Below that is Include View Order link. This allows customers to send a link that lets the store owner view the order details. Next is Include Order Number. When enabled, the order number will be included in the WhatsApp message. This makes it easier for the store owner to identify the exact order. Next is Include Product SKU. This option adds the SKU of the purchased products to the message. This is helpful for stores that manage inventory using SKU numbers. Next is Include Tax. This will include the tax amount from the order in the WhatsApp message. Next is Include Shipping. This option includes the shipping information from the order in the message. These options help ensure that the store owner receives complete order information when the customer sends the WhatsApp message. Now let's move to the WooCommerce button style. This setting controls how the WhatsApp button appears on the Thank You page. Next is Button Main Label, which defines the text shown on the button. For example, Send Order Details. Below that is Icon for Button, where you can choose the icon displayed beside the label. Next is Button Size, which controls how large the button appears on the page. You can then customize the button colors, including the icon color, icon background, button background, and label color, with both normal and hover states. Next is Button Border, where you can adjust the border width, style, color, and corner radius. Below that are Button Padding and Margin, which control the spacing inside and around the button. Finally, Button Visibility allows you to control where the button appears, such as on all devices or only on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Now let's look at the front-end result. After enabling the WooCommerce Thank You Page WhatsApp button, the Thank You page will display a custom title, subtitle, and WhatsApp button above the order details. Customers can click the Send Order Details button, and WhatsApp will open with the pre-filled message and order information ready to send. This makes it easy for customers to share their order details and contact the store immediately after completing a purchase. And that's how you configure the WooCommerce Thank You Page WhatsApp button using the Chat Help plugin.